payaso. Got me singing out passport, bro.
Wait a minute, what you wearing? Come here, man. What you got, a new dress?
No.
Hold on, let me see.
I think we did.
Oh, yeah, but let me see what's going on. Shit, you come. Ooh. Come over here. Come a little closer where we can see you. Come here. Come here. You got to see what's going on over here. Oh, wow. That's why. How much this dress cost?
I don't know.
Come over here a little bit.
I buy 3-piece. 1,000.
Ooh, 3 for 1,000. That sounds like 300 each. Ooh, little tie dress.
Today I got a tie.
You got taken in. Is this a tie dress or an Isan dress? It's a tie dress. Okay. I like it. I like when you come and show me your little outfits. You got another one too?
I have 2.
Oh, I want to see. I want to see.
It's okay. It's okay.
I don't know. We got to ask the people to write in. Y'all come over here, so we can see whether people get a good look. So what y'all think, man? Y'all think Elle can...
I think...
Oh, you got it fixed. You got to get it taken in, huh? For that little waist and them big old hips, huh? Them big old legs. Oh, so why? Hey, like, let's see what the other dress look like.
I'm tired of America, so I'm hitting Richie on the net. I got the tickets, that's a bet. We need the link, my brother set it up. Damn, I didn't had enough.
I'm telling y'all, you can't make this shit up. Passport Bros in effect. Out here in the Philippines, been here a month. Richie Mack, we just want to tell you we love you, man. Keep doing what you're doing. You're inspiring us to do the best thing for us. Get out of the matrix.
Just finished my consultation with the Travel O.G, Richie Mack.
And the winner is...
I'm actually in Thailand because of you. Had never even heard of Phuket until our consult.
Very, very informative. He gives you some very, very valuable information that you need to know, such as scooters, insurance, where to live, hospitals, all that stuff you get in the consultation. So book your consultation.
So for those who are thinking about coming to Thailand, thinking about getting out of the matrix, get your consult. I did with the Travel O.G.
Soon to Thailand.
I'm about to get to my hotel. I'm discovering a place called Phi Phi Island. I'm gonna go hit that tomorrow, and I absolutely will be in Pattaya.
Definitely glad I did the consultation. Definitely glad I made it. I will definitely be back.
A lot of people are not going back to the matrix.
We doing the damn thing.
See you out here in Thailand.
Thank you, Richie Mack. I can't say enough how you continue to assist me even after our consult. So guys, ladies, get your consult, get to Thailand, and be amazed.
Ooh, I won't lie. Can I get a little shake with them fries? My skin tone is matching your eyes. Black men, you know we like them thighs. And baby, she can do it all. Your land is my land, cut through it all. Gotta sing it, baby, baby, like Biggie Smalls. I'm like, my, when she do that walk. I zoom to Thailand.
She coming back with this time. You got the short dress showing off them big old legs. You gotta move over here. You can't hide behind the tie. You gotta come over here. You gotta see what's doing around here. Oh, I like that one. Oh, your skin looks so brown. Oh, you look through. Oh man, look at that. Look at Elle. I like that one. You know what that color? It's like it looks better on camera. Like it look kind of like gray. But on the dress with your skin, it looks nice. Ooh, you like. You're not gonna let your hair down with that? You gonna rock it with your hair up? Yeah. I want y'all to see, man. No makeup, nothing. It's just Elle just trying on stuff for me. Oh yeah, with the hair, you know. I like that long, pretty hair. Swing that hair around, baby. Let them know that's all natural. Hey, you did. You guys, I don't mean to show my girl up, but I like when she does this. When she comes and tries on her little $10 outfits, I love it. Come back, let me get one more of them. Come back one more again. When she comes back and does this, man, this is my idea of a good time, man. You know what I mean?
Meanwhile, back in the matrix.
I took my clothes off. I just wanted to give her like a 360. Oh. I really like my little workout outfit. I need some more.
You can't make this shit up.
Sometimes you see me inside in the room long time, I'm sick.
Yeah.
Try first, fix it, try again, fix more.
Yeah. I want to see again, man. I was about to watch Andre and Andrea. They got a Houston woman arrested in Dubai. Passport. Oh my goodness. What does she do, man? I keep hearing about the sister for yelling or something.
We're talking about the sassy trucker. It appears that she went over to Dubai being sassy, and now she could be facing serious consequences for doing that. Take a second to make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and click the notification bell for all updates. You females better learn how to respect the laws of the land. The sassy trucker is a 29-year-old trucking influencer, San Diego native residing in Houston. Thousands follow her on TikTok, lots of men that's also in the trucking industry, or stretching routines where she's bending over, showing parts of her behind. Here's one of her latest messages from June 2023. She said your soulmate could live in a different country.
Shout out to Pink Book Lessons. Link in the description. She's really good, you guys. Make sure you follow her. All right, we got a new question. There's this lady that went to Dubai, and she started talking loud to an Arab man, not a black man, but an Arab man, which is also like a black man. She raised her voice, and they put her in jail. Yeah, they put her in jail. She tried that Matrix vibe, and they was like, nah, this ain't the Matrix. We don't get down like that, and put her in jail. So the question people are asking me now, if a woman raised her voice at a man in Thailand, would she go to jail?
No, not go.
Oh, really?
No, not go. But too much. Some people just call police for talk, you know.
Oh.
First call police for talk. The first time, I think, you know why? Lady don't know man, man don't know lady. Man to look, what happened? You crazy? You know? Uh-huh. You look like crazy. Why you don't know people? Why you yak, you know?
Oh, they think you just crazy, huh?
Yes.
Then they call the police.
Yeah, they call police. Tell you don't not sure about you safe, no.
Right, so they just think people crazy when they be screaming and yelling for no reason. Because nobody wants to see a Thai prison, man. I'm telling y'all, man. I can't say what the Arab prison is like, but I've seen movies and I've heard about Thai prisons, man. You don't want to act up out here.
I thought you had to die to go to hell, but hell is right here.
This is Bangkwang Central Prison, also called Bangkok Hilton, the place where only the longest sentence servers go. The women's version is no picnic either. There's already too much fuss on international forums about how ruthless Thai prisons are because of the constant overcrowding, disease, lack of clean food and water, immense heat, occasional violence and death, and other challenges. But the worst of them all is this one. So if you're an inmate here, you're here for a long time, usually 20 to 50 years.
It's not nice. So always check, man, whatever country you're in, check what the rules, regulations, and bylaws are, man. Wait, man, these damn pigeons always come up here shitting on my damn. Get to the flumps right here. Yeah, now you running now. Yeah, you better run. Come up here, man. Look at this, man. They think this is just like the little shit fest. They hit my couch the other day. Gotta get that shit off. It's supposed to be my watchdog right here, man. Hey, you supposed to watch them. You supposed to bite them. Hell, I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
I want time for you 10 minutes.
10 minutes for what? But you about to get down with the, my nails ain't bad today. Oh, this one is.
Oh, you see, not bad, really dirty.
Yeah, okay. Well, do what you do, baby. Cop con cop, thank you. Put my coffee right here, thank you. Can I watch TV while you do my nails? Okay, thank you. All right, you guys don't need to see this. You guys know the drill. You know how this happens. It's just random. It ain't like it happens every morning at 10 o'clock. It's just she just, when she feels it's time to get down, she gets down. Let's see what the number 3 gonna be. That you guys remember, each of these dresses cost like $10. So she spent like $30 for all 3 and looked good in them. Hey! Here she come. Oh, come over here. Let me see. Why you keep going behind the couch? Yeah, you gotta wait back. Oh, you a little too close now. Oh, look at them hips in there. Oh. Are you wearing this to the subscriber party? What you doing with this? What is this?
I don't know. I buy maybe one month.
You bought this a month ago?
Yeah, I buy a month ago. I fix again, try.
Oh, you know? You had to get it to fit. They had to do that little neat waist.
I not can put now, you know, sometimes everything you see in your dress, I buy maybe.
But you can't see the big old leg. You see the support? Oh, you trying to turn around that little bit you got back there, huh? Let them know that little bit, you got a little something back there, huh? Let them know you working with a little something. Hey. Oh, you got to take it in again? Oh, Andre back there looking at my girl's booty. Dre, I see you over there looking, man.
Thailand.
Dre on the TV screen looking at Elle's booty. You see him looking, Noodle? You see him looking? You see him looking? Dre and Andrea, shout out to them. Hey, I'm trying to watch it with Dre's show. All right, what else? That's it? That's all three? How much it costs for all three of them dresses? Because I'm tricking.
1,000 baht.
1,000 baht. Y'all look that up, see what 1,000 baht costs for 3 dresses. And she look good in it, but then she got to get them taken in.
Some days maybe 300 baht, some days 350, you know. I buy 3.
What's the most expensive dress? Like the one that costs Mark, how much?
Mark, maybe I buy for me, nah. We buy maybe 890.
190 baht? That's probably about $26, $27.
The dress beautiful.
Yeah, I bet it is, because you in it, baby.
I do not see. I not put.
I not see? What you mean I not see? I want to see.
Okay.
We all want to see. I might make this just one episode watching Elle just like do it.
I try for you. I am not put it and buy it. I not put.
Oh, okay, let's see what it. This is the 300 baht dress, the $10 dress. Do a little spin for us, baby. Hey, you know some of the haters will be like, man, why you got her putting her out there like that, man? Because my girl looks good, and she's showing you what you have to spend $10,000 for a dress. She look good in her little $10 dress. You dig? All right,
yeah, you buy, you can.
Yeah.
For me.
Yeah.
Cheaper me can buy, for me like.
Yeah.
I think what me put in the this one is good. Okay.
Exactly. So let them know. Let's see what that 800 baht. Let's see what that $26 dress look like. You dig? So let's see what's going on. $26 dress. Let's see what it look like. Elle, come on. Drum roll, please. Hey. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay. I see the difference. Oh, you ready to go to the awards. You showing everybody a little bit of them legs, too. Let me see. Oh, you show the leg. You know I like when you show the leg. I've never seen this dress, Elle.
Yeah, I buy.
Why? Why you never showed me this one? I like it.
This is my long time. I think everything finished.
Put the big old leg sticking out. Let me see. Put the big old leg out. Let me see what it look like with this. Oh, hey, Elle, don't fall down now. Wow, yeah. Now you gotta see you walking it. You gotta walk darn. Let me see the darn. You gotta walk around. You gotta spin around. You gotta let us know what's going on. Hey, there you go. Do the walk. Walk it out, eh? Walk that shit out. Yeah. Now you know what I do want to do though. I want to get you some expensive shoes. The shoes is what makes the difference. I know you got the little pretty tie toes, but I gotta get you some nice shoes. That's what accents the dress. You know what I mean? Say tricking. Yeah, we gotta do some tricking on your shoes. How you looking right? I like it. Yeah, that's nice. Let me see. Turn back around. Turn back. You trying to show that little bit? You ain't got a lot back there, girl. Just don't focus too hard on that. Turn back around. This way you see the big old leg. Oh, well, you from that angle. Okay, you gotta hit the angles. Oh, You scared? You don't want them to see too much, huh? Elle? You don't want to see too much of the big legs, huh?
Too much.
Wow. Well, step back over there towards the light where we can really see what's going on.
I like this color.
That color looks good with your skin. Yeah, it does. All right, you guys. I usually don't do episodes like this, but I just figured, man. Let you guys see what's going on. All right, now walk on out of here. Walk on out of here. Hey, you know what you got to tell him, Elle? You know what you got to tell him? Oh, shit. There you go, Elle. Let him know. Let him know. Now I want you to walk over there and then turn around and say, theme music. You ready? Do a little walk. Do a little cute. You got to do the cute walk. Hey.
Theme music.
Hey.
Soon to Thailand. Hope you coming too. Richie Mac, Travel O.G with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for sure. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel. Like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. steady vibing, take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, Travel O.G, let's go.
And if you haven't joined yet, you should also consider joining our Patreon, where I can show you the things I can't show you on YouTube, as well as discounts on merchandise, consultations, throwback DJ mixes I made for you to listen, drive, and work out to. And most important, by joining the Patreon, you'll be able to get in direct contact with the Travel O.G. You dig? Memberships start at $5 and you can cancel at any time. Oh yeah, and you might also want to join just to support your boy and keep the movement going. Appreciate y'all. Catch you on the next one. Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real.
Don't forget to subscribe for my channel.